Baking soda defeats stage 4 prostate cancer, a true story. In the medical world, the story of Vernon Johnston has become a noteworthy phenomenon. Johnston, who faced a diagnosis of stage 4 prostate cancer, discovered an unconventional approach to combat this formidable disease. Before we delve into the treatment method he chose, let's understand more about the nature of prostate cancer and the challenges it presents. Prostate cancer is one of the most common types of cancer in men, especially those in middle and older age. The prostate, a small organ located beneath the bladder and in front of the colon, plays a crucial role in the male reproductive system. It produces fluid, a component of semen, which helps nourish and transport sperm. When it comes to cancer, the abnormal growth of cells is a primary factor. In the case of prostate cancer, malignant cells grow uncontrollably within the prostate gland. This growth can be slow and manageable in early stages, but when it progresses to stage 4, the situation becomes much more serious. Stage 4 is characterized by the spread of cancer cells beyond the prostate to other parts of the body, such as bones and lymph nodes. Treating late-stage cancer is often challenging. Common treatment options include chemotherapy, radiation therapy, and surgery, each with its own limitations and side effects. Chemotherapy, while potentially effective in killing cancer cells, also affects healthy cells, leading to fatigue, immune system suppression, and various other side effects. Meanwhile, radiation therapy focuses on destroying cancer cells with radiation, which can also damage surrounding tissues. Surgery might not be an option if the cancer has spread too far. A specific example of the impact of chemotherapy on cancer and healthy cells is the use of drugs like docetaxel in treating prostate cancer. Docetaxel works by inhibiting cell division, a process necessary for the growth of cancer cells. However, this drug also affects other dividing cells in the body, leading to side effects such as reduced white blood cells, increasing the risk of infection. Additionally, some chemotherapy drugs like cyclophosphamide can harm bladder cells, leading to chemical cystitis. This illustrates that, although chemotherapy is a crucial part in controlling and mitigating the growth of cancer cells, it also poses significant risks and challenges for patients. With Vernon Johnston's specific medical condition, diagnosed with stage 4 prostate cancer, seeking an alternative treatment method became an urgent need. Using sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, in cancer treatment is based on the theory of acid and alkaline environments in the body. Cancer cells often thrive in acidic environments. Theoretically, alkalizing the environment could slow down the growth of cancer cells. Baking soda, being an alkaline substance, is thought to neutralize acid in the body. Some studies have indicated that increasing pH, alkalizing, can affect the environment around cancer cells, killing or slowing their growth. However, it's important to note that most of these studies are conducted on animal models or cell cultures in laboratories and may not accurately reflect how it works in the human body. In the case of Vernon Johnston, he mixed baking soda with some maple syrup and started using this homemade treatment daily. While it may seem odd and unlikely to fight cancer with baking soda and other common household ingredients, his anti-cancer journey is documented on his blog and is available for everyone to see. Although there are reports of improvement in his health condition, such improvement cannot be considered as definite scientific evidence of the effectiveness of this treatment method. The improvement could be due to various other factors and not necessarily directly related to the use of baking soda. You may refer to this, but to follow, one should thoroughly research and seek guidance from a qualified physician. Wishing everyone good health and happiness.